everyone, welcome back to Miss Beanie in America. How you all doing today? Yes, my look is not it's not looking this morning. So how you doing? If today is your first time, my name is Miss Beanie in America. For my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notification, because I upload every Saturday. So today is Saturday morning. I just got up and my compound is not compounding right now. It's not looking nice right now. It's been raining for like since on Thursday night till yesterday, so the Friday, and I'm sick of it. I want to do something in my compound today. So I'm gonna start from the outside. I'll be doing lawnmower and cutting the grass, the flower or plant, however. So yeah, taking you guys with me. Come, I'll first of all show you outside, and let me dress up first, and then we go outside. It's a little cold. This is me. I've dressed up. Oh, you see that? Yeah, with my scarf in my head. Yeah, I'm leaving this on. Thank you. Because it's cold outside. I like it when it's cold than it's hot, you know. I don't want to be sweating that much. And there could be mosquito outside because, you know, it's wet. So let's go, guys. See, when I said my compound is not compounding right now, this is what I am actually talking about. See, let me take you guys. See, there. These are a few of the tools I'm gonna be using. Look, let me quickly take you guys for a tour. All right, let's zoom it out. See, my lawnmower is already outside, so this is what I will be working on this morning. I'll be cutting the grass and like shaping it. It's all grown, and see all of this. See, yeah, there'll be a little walk. See, taking care of this and all these ones here. See, I have to shape in this because they're all grown. See how, yeah, things like this. And see, so I will show you guys before and after. I'm doing before now, so I'll take care of this too, you know. See, like all these ones, clean up this place. All right, so the work has just started. We have this plant called I don't know what it's called, but it produced butterfly, so I'm very careful. Those are the plants there, those ones, those long or tall plants. So however, so I just started, and I like the weather though. Let's talk about the weather. It's really calm, and you know, give it that energy, you know. So that is the most reason why I decided to even do it today, because if it's sunny, it's really hot. Yeah, so I just started, and I'm watching the grass. It's been a while I did this. I'm already getting tired. So yeah, I go to the other side of it, and I forgot that I don't have water in the house. I should have go get water. So I have some juice in the house. I'm going to the pot. And I'm going to do this today, because if I do this now, I will not be able to do it again. to do, but at the same time it's exhausting. So just let me leave you guys to watch it. I mean the big flower or plant. This one is really large. Yeah, I am doing it small. So if you have a garden and you need someone to help you, or you want to rent someone, just call me, okay? I will do justice to it like I'm doing right now to my plants. Yeah, if my husband is around, he will be looking like, I hope you are not cutting off all the plants. So he's very careful with it, but for me, I use everything is power. Yeah. So yeah, I'm doing it. I'm cutting it so that I can leave it for another 3 months before I come back here again. Yeah, I don't want to be doing this every day or every 2 weeks. No. So that's why I'm cutting it like this. Yeah. So yeah, guys, just have fun. All right. I had to go get shovel here because the grass, it was growing to my walkway. So I had to go get this to help me scrape it out because I couldn't use my hand. I tried, but it's really tough on the ground. So this one is the perfect one to use for this kind of a thing, and it's, you know, it's neat. Look, getting it done. Yeah. I have fun doing it though. Look at me, I'm taking it down. I'm a little tired here, but I just have to do this today. It's not gonna pass today. Yeah, for those of you that think I'm a jabber, you see me, I'm not playing. Now I come back to the other to this big plant. This is the major one, guys. It's so big and you have to be careful because we always cut it round. You shape it round. So here you go. I'm doing the other side of it right now. Yeah, this one is the main one. If I'm working outside, this one take a lot of time to finish. So I will just be gentle with it and be patient with it. Yeah. I'm done right now. See how shaped it is. Yeah, I'm done with this one also. See, time to pack the May. It's time to gather all the dirt together. And you see, my walkway is really messy right now. I'm raking all of them together. Not the one in the grass, but the walkway. I want to deal with the walkway first, because that one really give me somehow vibe. I mean, you know, some vibe. I don't like the vibe at all, so I have to clear that part first before I go to the feed part. So this is before. Look at. I'm doing a great job, I must say that, guys. Let me know in the comment section below.